one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. There are times when we stop moving forward, not because of something major that has happened, but because we have begun to lose momentum. We've begun to simply not show up in the way that we used to. And the Lord says, I'm breathing my spirit upon you again. I'm filling you anew, for I will move you forward. Don't be afraid, but trust in me that I'm breathing my spirit upon you to strengthen you and to empower you, to bring new life where things have seemed to stand still. I am the one who moves you forward, the one who is bringing my power and my strength into the circumstances of your life. Trust in me and trust that I'm renewing you in this day. I'm filling you again with the fresh breath of life, the fresh breath of my spirit. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.